Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel Data with Ritika. In this series, we are discussing the interview questions asked in different companies. We'll be starting with the easy difficulty level and eventually move up the ladder. This particular question was asked in NYTimes. Let's see what the question is all about. Assume you're given the table of user viewership categorized by device type, where there are three types of devices: laptop, tablet, and phone. Write a query that calculates the total viewership for laptops and mobile devices, where mobile is defined as the sum of tablet plus phone viewership. Okay. Output the total viewership for laptops as laptop reviews and total viewership for mobile devices as mobile views. In this, you have one table, viewership table. It has three columns: user ID, device type, and view time. The device type is expected to have laptop, tablet, and phone, three values. User ID should be unique here, and view time is wherever he has viewed that particular device. Your expected output is laptop views as 2 and mobile views as 3. So basically in this one, you want to count the mobile devices and laptops. Mobile would be the sum of tablet and phone, right? Alright, so let's start with the skeleton code. Of course, we'll be starting with everything from viewership. So first things first, we want to count the device types here, right? Since we want to segregate the mobile devices and laptops and we have just one table, we can go for the case statements here. So case statements are basically like the if-else statements that we usually have in any coding language. To segregate, I want to see that, okay, if device type is laptop, then it goes as laptop reviews. And if device type is phone or tablet, then it goes as mobile views. So let me put it as case when device type. Now let's start with maybe first I want the laptop view. So is equal to laptop. Then what it should do, right? So this is the syntax here for if else as we call it. So case when this then, right? If this condition is fulfilled, then what it should do? It should basically count something, right? It should increase the counter, right? So then maybe I can go with 1. Else, if this is not the case, then 0, right? It should, every case statement should end with end and some alias, right? So let me put it as laptop view. Okay. Then you have another one, case when device type. Now I have two values here, right? Tablet and phone. So maybe I'll use the in operator. We have discussed about in operator in our previous videos. This is the tablet and phone, right? In acts as an or condition. So here it's like tablet or phone. So if this condition, that device type is tablet or phone, if this is satisfied, then what it should do? Then it should be 1, else it should be 0, right? As mobile view from viewership, right? Till now it looks good. Let's try to run it. Okay, I have missed end here. As I was saying, this end is mandatory here. So this is the expected syntax of case statements. Now this looks quite good. Just to check, I can also add the user ID and the device type here. Just to check if everything is running fine. Okay, so it was tablet, so laptop is 0, mobile is 1, laptop so 1, laptop 1, so it's phone, so mobile is 1, and tablet again, so it's 1 in the mobile view. All right, now what I want, so I'll just remove this because I don't want this in my actual output. I want to count this, right? Sum this up basically. So as to get how many of the laptop views I have and how many of the mobile views are there. So simply I'll use the sum function here, sum of this, and then alias as this, and then sum of this, and then end as mobile view, right? All right, this looks good. So how this will work? This will basically, so the inner statement is going to give me, if device type is laptop, then it will give me 1. Otherwise, it will give me a 0. So basically, I'll have this column created here, and then through sum, it is going to sum up everything, and simply it is going to create a new column as laptop view, right? This looks fine. Let me run this. Okay, this is the expected output. Looks fine to me, and I'm going to submit it. Great, it's accepted. So this was about this video. In this, we have learned about how the case statements work. Such statements are very commonly used in analytical queries that you create. So quite useful in your real-time projects as well. Okay, this was about this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.